to edit slow motion videos on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all we need to go to the gallery and we need to open the slow motion video. Now we can press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen in order to start editing. If you want to make some adjustments with the slow motion, then of course we have this range here. This one indicates the slow motion effect, so you can adjust it, so you can decide by yourself when the effect should be applied. You can also tap on this range itself in order to, for example, adjust the speed as well. And besides that, we have some other basic tools for editing as well, so be sure to check them out if needed. You can press save over here in the top right corner in order to save the edited slow motion video and overwrite the original one. But if you want to keep the original video and save the edited one separately, then we can tap on these three dots instead, and over here we have save copy. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!